If you have multiple different on-premises email servers, then you may need to create an MX record to point to where those emails are supposed to go. So I'm going to right-click and choose my new mail exchanger record. So that way, when I go to send an email to, say, another server within my on-premises network, it will know how to send that information. So I need to start out by putting in the host information. I'm just going to call this mail. And when I type in mail, it automatically appends mydomain.int because that's the zone I'm currently in. If it doesn't show the zone name that you want, you probably haven't created it over here under forward lookup zones. So you need to start by creating the zone first and then creating the MX record. After that, now I need to add in the domain name of the mail server. In my case, the name of my mail server is called mail1.mydomain.int. And here you can see the mail server priority. The 10 is the default number, but really you can go all the way to 0. Whatever the lowest number is, in this case, 0 is the lowest number you can get, that is going to have the first priority when sending email. Now, typically most people do 10, 20, 30, 40 if they have multiple servers. So I'll stay with that convention, but you don't have to. You could be 0, 1, 2, 3, or whatever it is that you'd like. Now I'm going to click OK, and there's my MX record. What if I have multiple servers that I want to send email to, but I want them to go in a certain order? In other words, I want my email default to be mail 1, but maybe I have another server called mail 2, and I want it to go there in case mail 1 is currently under maintenance or under repair. So I'm going to go back and create another new MX record. And once again, I'll call it mail, and it will append the domain, mydomain.int. And now I'm going to give the fully qualified domain name of mail2.mydomain.int. And now I need to give it a new mail server priority. So of course I'm going to say that is 20. So mail 1 is going to be the first place where mail gets delivered, and mail 2 will be the second place. So you can go as many numbers as you'd like going forward. So it'll go in order with the preferred mail server first and then the subsequent mail servers after that. So that is how we create an MX record in our Windows 2022 DNS server.